Today we are talking about biodecontamination. Why is it so important?
Actually, it's the prerequisite for your production in the isolator. You want to handle aseptic processes and you want to get rid of your microorganisms inside.
That makes sense. So why is hydrogen peroxide commonly used for this process?
Yeah, it has several advantages. So it's highly efficient, it's well established in the industry, and it easily breaks down into non-harmful components, water and oxygen in the end. Yeah, so you can remove it from the process without potential danger to your product.
What is the goal for the H₂O₂ biodecontamination?
Yeah, it's common sense in the industry to apply at least a 6-log reduction of microorganisms. So the target is not to be totally free of viable microorganisms, but to reduce it by 99.9999% in the end, to be sure that you have appropriate starting conditions for your production.
How does the system actually work?
As it was already mentioned, it's working based on vapor phase hydrogen peroxide. So what we're doing is to evaporate the H₂O₂ in an efficient way, to distribute it so that it reaches all surfaces, to be able to really reduce the bioburden where it is present in the system.
So that's quite efficient. So what makes the system so reliable, efficient and fast?
Yeah, in fact, it's the combination of factors like temperature, humidity, and also our process design that renders that system so efficient. You have a really good distribution to reach all surfaces. You have ambient temperatures, so the relative saturation is really good at that point where you want to achieve your kill.
That's awesome. So from my perspective, we can say that it is reliable, effective, efficient, and reproducible.
Exactly. So this is also the reason why it's of course fully automated. So you get out the variability that may come in by a manual process performed by a user, like the, as you all know, spray and pray process. Here you have a high reproducibility of all the processes to ensure high safety in the end.